In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add your custom email signature to your iPhone email. Hey, this is James from JM Pro Consulting, where I provide you online marketing strategies to help grow your local business. Hey guys, in this video, here's a question I frequently get asked, and it's actually pretty easy to do, but I'm going to show you how to quickly transfer a signature from your normal email over to your iPhone email signature line. All right, so check out this short video. The first thing you need to do is to send yourself an email that contains the signature that you want to use. Then you should be on the home screen of your iPhone. Go ahead and open up the email app. Once you open that, you should see the email that you just sent yourself. Open that email. Then hold your finger on the email. You should see a select all. Click select all and then click copy. Then swipe up. Then go to your settings app and then scroll down and you'll see the mail. So click on mail. Then you're going to want to scroll down to where it says signature. So click on signature. And then choose the email that you want to use. So if you have multiple emails set up, just choose the one that the account that you need, and then press your finger on that section and then click paste. So you should have several options that pop up. Click paste and then go out of the settings app. You can swipe up or you go back, either one. Then go ahead and open your email app again, and then click new or compose, whichever one you have, and then you should see your email signature there in the email that you popped up. Okay, there you have it. That's how to add the email signature from your current email to your iPhone email app. Okay, hope that helps. Take care. God bless.